Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to do another Dollar Tree DIY for you. I'm going to be using this little cup here, so cute, from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using these little guys, they're so cute. And then also I have some other socks from the Dollar Tree like this, and then I've got that beautiful cup, and let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm gonna take this little sock. It's really easy, so easy, but we're gonna just take that right out. You guys, I keep looking over here because usually my camera's over here, but now you're over here, so I apologize. But look how easy this is. You take this little guy, you're gonna literally just put that little sock on here, and it comes with 2 little socks, and so you can buy 2 of these little guys, and he's gonna be so cute. Oh my goodness. So all you do is you pull that up, and now you've got this great little Frankenstein votive, so you can put your little tea light in there, or if you're going to be having like little ones over, you can put treats in there and have them at their like little dinner spot or whatever you'd like. So I thought that was adorable. Let me go ahead and show you this one with these socks here. I'm gonna put this one down, so let me see if I could flip this around. Let's see. I'm gonna have to stop it. Okay, we're gonna flip that one around, and we are going to take this guy here, and same thing, we're gonna put that sock right over it, and you can make yourself a nice little koozie, right, with this. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this part here, and you know exactly where you're gonna cut it. And you're just gonna cut it just like that. And then what I would do, I don't have my hot glue gun, but I would hot glue these down if you want it permanent. If you don't want it permanent, then I would scrunch this up just a bit and have this as a cute little koozie, just like that. And it fits so stinking well. And that teal goes perfectly. If you don't like the teal, you can cut off the top as well. And then you could do the same with this little guy. So take this sock off. I didn't take the bottom off because it's not going to be seen anyways. But I love the way the stickers come off now. They're all nice and clean. And all you're going to do is the same thing. We're going to cut this right as straight as you can. And then you're going to take your little cup. You can do this with any size cup as well. You're just going to put that right at the top. And then again, you're going to cut off the bottom. And you can scrunch it up or put it down. Now for me, I would glue the bottom down, and I would glue it down very nice and taut, and probably like cut along to glue it down. But since I don't have my glue gun and I don't have access to it right this minute, I would also take something like this. If I was going to turn it into a nice cute votive, I might take some raffia and tie it around the top. But I just think these are adorable. Just some great little koozies and some little votive decorators that really are, as you can see, you don't really even need a hot glue, especially for this one. This one is super adorable. And if you wanted to, you could even pull it up all the way to the tippity top. So I hope you like this. I think this is such a cute idea. And let me know if you find any other great socks for little votives like this. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.